All right, we're at another house. We got another split unit, and the outdoor unit is where the problem's at. The indoor unit, the fan is running, so automatically I go to the outdoor unit to check and see if the compressor and the fan will run. And here is the plunger for the contactor. Push it in. Hear that? Compressor's not running. I wonder what's wrong. We got a 45 plus 10 microfarad capacitor. I don't have a 45/10. I've only got a 45/5. So I'm going to use a 45 and a 10, okay? I'm going to show you how I do that. Unplug the power first. All right, so we've added the 10 microfarad capacitor. How do we do that? Well, the wire that comes from the fan motor that goes to the F terminal, the fan terminal, we took it off and we put it on the 10 microfarad capacitor, and then the other side we take a wire from this terminal to the common terminal of this other capacitor, and that will connect us to this side of the line that comes from our contactor. And I'll show you on the schematics real quick just in case you have any questions whatsoever. This is our fan motor. Black wire goes to the defrost board contacts. Purple wire goes to the F terminal of the capacitor, and that orange wire that comes from the fan goes to the contactor right there. All right, so I'll strap everything in, but I'm going to test it, make sure it works, okay? Boom, working. Beautiful. Other capacitor, you can see how it's bulged at the top. That's a sign that it's bad, but to check it, meter on microfarads, go from common to Herm, okay, nothing. Go from common to fan, we should have 10 on this terminal, 5. Definitely. Always checking superheat and subcooling. We got about 15 degrees of subcooling. Liquid line temperature is 100 degrees. Suction is 150. Discharge is about 415, 420. Now let's check our vapor line temperature. It should be about 40 degree difference. This was 100, so let's see what this is. 74 degrees on my vapor line. Need to wait a little bit, make sure that comes down. So it's 85 degrees in here. That means the temperature blowing out of the supply grill should be 65. 68 degrees on the supply vent. It is dropping, so it may reach 65. Yeah, it'll probably reach 65. Another one down.